Welcome back. Now, if you have a ChatGPT account, one element that you have available to you will be the plugin section. And if you go to your drop-down menu and you click on the plugins menu, you'll notice then that there will be a drop-down menu that will say that no plugins have been installed to your account. What you'll then want to do is to go to the drop-down menu again. You'll then want to go all the way down to the plugin store. And what you'll see are elements that developers have created in order to connect and extend the functions of ChatGPT. And just as with GPTs, if you search the plugins for your keyword or for the function that you want, you'll be able to determine whether there is a plugin that will help you to do what you want to do. Once you find the plugin to do what you want it to do, you can install the plugin. You'll see here that two of these plugins have been installed to this account. So for the sake of this video, what we're going to do is we're going to first uninstall the plugin, and then we're going to reinstall the plugin so that you can see the process. And the plugin has now been reinstalled. It's a good idea if you first write to ChatGPT and specify how the plugin is used, and then to also get sample prompts as to how to best use the plugin. Once you get your sample prompts, you'll then modify them for your use. And what you'll see here is that ChatGPT has provided output according to our specifications using the plugin. So you can use ChatGPT to extend its capability with the use of plugins that you have selected to do what you want to do. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.